Building wealth in 2025 is not just about making a lot of money. It's about making smart financial decisions that can set you up for a long-term success. And that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. 5 smart financial habits that can help you achieve your financial goals and get you rich in 2025. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to managing their finances is living paycheck to paycheck. You work hard, you earn a decent income, but somehow you just can't seem to save anything. Another challenge is the lack of financial literacy. Many people simply don't know how to manage their money, invest it, or make smart financial decisions. Then there is the pressure to keep up with the latest consumer trends and products, which can lead to overspending and debt. And let's not forget about the fear of missing out, or FOMO. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. It refers to the anxiety or feeling of regret people experience when they believe they are missing out on exciting or rewarding experiences that others are enjoying out there. This feeling is often heightened by seeing posts or updates on social media about events or opportunities or trends, which can cause people to make impulsive financial decisions. Lastly, there is that issue of procrastination, putting off financial decisions until it is too late, such as not starting to save for retirement early enough. Now, how do you overcome this FOMO? Overcoming FOMO requires a shift in mindset and intentional actions to focus on what truly matters. Here are some practical ways to deal with FOMO. 1. Practice gratitude. Focus on the things you already have rather than what you might be missing. Gratitude helps you appreciate your own journey and reduce envy. 2. Limit social media usage. Take breaks or set specific times to check out social media. Remember, most people only post highlights of their lives, not the full picture. 3. Live in the present. Engage fully in your current activities and relationships. Mindfulness practices like meditation can help you stay grounded. 4. Prioritize your goals. Focus on your personal values and long-term objectives rather than comparing yourself to others. 5. Learn to say no. It's okay to skip events or opportunities if they don't align with your interest or well-being. You don't have to do everything to be fulfilled. 6. Reconnect with yourself. Spend time doing things that make you happy and fulfilled, such as hobbies, self-care, or meaningful work. 7. Shift your perspective. Remind yourself that missing out on one thing often means gaining something else, like rest, quality time with your loved ones, or focus on personal growth. 8. Surround yourself with supportive people. Engage with people who uplift you and share similar values rather than those who constantly compare or compete. If you would like me to explain on how to implement any of these tips that I just mentioned above, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment in the comment section below. All of these challenges can be overwhelming, but the good news is that you can overcome them by adopting a few smart financial habits. And that's exactly what we are going to talk about next. Habit number 1 is to track your expenses. This is so important because it helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. For example, you might be surprised at how much you have been spending on Brazilian wigs or eating out each month. Once you have a clear picture of your spendings, you can make adjustments to free up more money in your budget for savings and investments. Habit number 2 is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income as soon as you get paid, rather than waiting until the end of the month to see what is left, then managing to save out of the little that is left. In other words, paying yourself first means as soon as you get paid, you should take out a percentage of that money and save it or invest it for your future self. That is what it means to pay yourself first. That leads me to habit number 3. Habit number 3 is to invest wisely. This doesn't have to be complicated. You can start with a simple investment app like Optimals or Rise or a robo advisor. Habit number 4 is to avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you get a raise or a promotion doesn't mean you need to inflate your lifestyle by buying a bigger house, a fancier bag, or a new car. And habit number 5 is to build an emergency fund. This will provide you with a safety net in case something unexpected happens, such as a job loss or a medical emergency. A quick disclaimer here: I am not a financial advisor with years of experience in economics, but I am a content creator who got tired of living paycheck to paycheck, so I decided to take my finances seriously. And these are my 5 smart financial habits that will make you rich in 2025. Which are you most excited about? Let me know in the comment section below. Out of these 5 habits, I believe that paying yourself first is the most impactful one. By setting aside a portion of your income as soon as you get paid, you are making savings and investment a priority. And when you make it a priority, you are more likely to follow through and actually do it. Think about it. When you pay yourself first, you are not leaving your financial future to chance. You are taking control of your money and making intentional decisions about how you want to use it. In conclusion, adopting these 5 financial smart habits and decisions can be a game changer for your financial situation. By tracking your expenses, paying yourself first, investing wisely, avoiding lifestyle inflations, and building an emergency fund, you can set yourself up for a long-term financial success and get rich in 2025. Remember, it's not about making a lot of money. It's about making smart financial decisions that can help you achieve your goals. What do you think about these 5 smart financial habits? Have you tried any of them before? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about personal finance and building wealth, be sure to check out my other videos on 10 money savings tips you need to know. Very importantly, keep learning about money. Never stop learning about personal finance. Read books, watch videos, and stay updated on financial trends. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better financial decision you are going to make. Hit the subscribe button, drop a comment in the comment section, and watch the video on the screen right now, because that is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch next.